In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect speakers to Samsung Odyssey G4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect any sort of speakers, headphones, or even a soundbar that you have to your Samsung Odyssey monitor. Even though I'm going to be talking about the Odyssey G4, this exact process and steps will apply for any other Odyssey model. So even if you have a different one like the Odyssey G40, Odyssey G5, G6, G7, and so on, you just have to follow these same exact steps. So you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the monitor through the device that you connect. So the most convenient way to connect any sort of speakers is going to be through the audio port. So usually most people refer to this as the audio jack or simply 3.5mm port. So all that you have to do is plug it into this port at the back of your monitor. So if you look at the back of your Samsung Odyssey monitor, you will most often find the headphone in port. So all that you have to do is plug the speakers into this port. So they will have the specific connector that you need to use, and maybe they have additional ones. Just make sure that you plug them in accordingly. Once it is properly plugged into the Samsung Odyssey G4 or any other model of monitor that you have, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the monitor through the speakers instead. So this is also going to work for any sort of headphones that you have and also soundbars. Some soundbars will be connected to HDMI instead, so keep that in mind. Just look at the connection that you are using for your particular device and establish a physical connection between the monitor and the audio device that you want to use. And as long as you connect it with a good quality cable, it will be detected and set up automatically. If it doesn't work, check the connection, make sure that the cable that you are using is good to go, and double check to see if there aren't any additional connections that you need to make. This will work natively for any kind of soundbar, headphones, or speakers that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect speakers to Samsung Odyssey G4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.